Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the company for sending me this USB-C charger holder. It's compatible with the Streamlight Stinger series, and I have to say, in the area I live, we are prone to hurricanes every year. Having flashlights readily available is a must for us. So I'd like to show you this charger. It comes with, obviously, the plug. It has the cord, and of course instructions, which are really great. They're pretty self-explanatory. And the neat thing about it is it comes with the screws that you can use to mount it on the walls, in your kitchen, in your shed, your garage, your storage rooms, wherever you need a flashlight. And basically all you do, and here's the charger, but basically all you do is put the screws in the holes, and they're easy to mount, which is nice. It does have the area here that you put your flashlight on. The red light will show when it's charged. I really like it, and I look forward to having charged flashlights this hurricane season. I hope you'll give it a try. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.